Its name is Pear. So it means a hypothetical upside down. Wait, what was that? The coloring. It's coloring pen. Color pens. What is this? What? Look at this. Look at this. This is a fail design. Color pens. Yep, color pens. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this upside down. No, it's color pens. Means something sus. I don't know. It's a fail design. Oh my gosh.
Evander,
I'm making a video.
what are you doing?
Making a video.
Making a video?
Yeah,
For?
on YouTube.
Oh, for vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Oh, congrats. How about you? How are you doing?
Then there's my office right now. I'm working. Can you flip yourself from like this to this, okay? So you can see it.
Bakit dapat? Ang arrangement yung pa-ako ganyan. Ganyan. Tatalunod mo to. O siguro pwede pa rin.
So today my leg was
Ito ang aming face.
scissors. Wait, something is wrong with my scissors. It's covered with glue. Both shoulders open it. It's covered with glue. Oh my gosh. It's covered with glue. scissors covered. No, it's literally hard to push. Oh my god.
Parang
Oh
mag-bake
my
mo.
god. This is satisfying. What is inside this? Remove this. Oh no.
Ino-open na lang.
Oh my god, it's very hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really this. Oh, did you get inside this one? Okay, look, I'm making a circle. So, you ask me why do I do this? Look, you just have to put this over here, and then like that, and like this. So I make a circle. Okay. Just gotta cover it. I have to cut without scissors because my scissors is still very blue. Because I accidentally spilled the glue on my scissors. Yep. Okay, now I should do this.
Pag naligaw,
So you get perfect. Perfectness. Purple plus yellow. Okay, let's see. Still yellow.
I bet. Kasi si Sir June, ay Sir June,
I love. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'll try to get orange. Now this looks like red. Okay. There. So, and today, guys, I'm gonna make something.
pero parang pika-pika talaga.
Perfectly.
Huwag ka din mga ingat.
Okay. Now I will have to. Not. Okay, I'm putting glue around and this I just wanted the tin cup. This work. Wow! I did it! Look at that! Stick with glue. Okay, now I need to put the little bars as well. Oh, that's just the tin cup. Like this. Not just so it's not too sticky. Oh my god. Guys, this is actually so interesting to me. Yep. Wow, look at that. I'm literally sitting right now. Is it cute? Yep. Removing the blue spots and then now how they look. They're cool. Mountain views. The lights.
Ano yan?
I'm making.
Naglalaro ka ng chocolate.
No, I'm just making a video kasi. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yeah, I should do something very fun. I make a cup of coffee for your head. I make a cup of coffee for Can you help me? Can you help me, please? I need your help. Got a paper. So today I'm gonna make something new. Like to the cat. I'm gonna make some decorations for Christmas. Right now, it's only Christmas. So it's not Christmas. I just wanted to decorate my walls and the home, so I will show you what I did. And now I need to do something like this. Oh my god, I'm making small. I don't even know. Hello guys, I'm back. Wait, I don't know my what? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I need to do something else. Okay. And this way here, I'm gonna get
Bumili ka na.
Wait, guys. My earphones is clearly stuck. Tito Shell. It's nearly stuck. Stuck. Can you please help? Please help.
Gagawin scan. Ay, anong gagawin mo?
Sweet.
Di apat
Okay.
kami dito.
Sorry. Like, oh, like that. I'm getting rid of my other tape.
Merienda. Merienda. Ang galing. Ay, yun. Ganda.
Okay. You just waited for a few seconds, so I'm gonna get ready now to show you my decoration. Okay, hello guys. I should just do another table. What should we do? Okay, this is what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna draw something. For my decoration, I'm gonna write this. Oh, wala. I know already how to divide, but okay. And now I'm gonna write something good. Can you be quiet? Oh, can you be quiet? I'm making a video. Ignore that. Okay. So I'll make the. Oh my god. First, green color. I'll make the grass. Okay. Blue now. Oh my god. I'm coloring. You wanna see? I'm making the grass red. I'm very good at drawing. Watch this. darker. This is gonna be so very cool. What are you eating? Okay. You want to see the grass? Is it good? Wait. Is it? Wait. The camera's not fixed. How about now? You see it? Magic! Okay, now I'm gonna drag the person. Me and my daddy. This is gonna be my mommy. Oh, this is gonna be me first. I am Can you see it? Can you see? Tita Rachel, what is 3? What is 3 times? Look, what is this? Can you equal this?
Divided by?
By 1,000.
3 divided by 1,000, you cannot divide a number is greater than that, so it's going to be negative.
Oh.
It should be 1,000 divided by 3.
But what am I gonna write here if it's a bigger number?
It's dapat yan. 1,000 divided by 3. Or keep it like this. It's gonna be like that.
But how are you supposed to divide this?
Like this. 10 divided by 3. How many 3 are there in 10?
There is 10.
Mm-hmm. 1. 1. Open mo. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So there's 3. What's the remainder? What's the remainder?
Nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna draw something. My mom. She's really big and sexy. Never mind. She's so very big and sexy. I love her because she's my mommy. Okay, I might need to remove this. Okay, I'm And my mommy is gonna be good and healthy and strong and non sick. Mm. 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 Okay, then my mommy is supposed to be like that. Mm. My mommy is so very calm and cute. Mm. Mm. I'm doing something, and now I will show you in the in the very long of the video. Look at that. It's so good. Last, I'm gonna draw my daddy, and now I will color their t-shirts and their skin. My daddy is super tall. He he's literally the he's literally the world's tallest man in Romania. Yeah, he's the literally tallest man. Hanggang dito po. Look at that. My daddy is so tall. My daddy is so tall. I'm literally gonna make him so tall. He's the most tallest man in the world. Okay. Now my dad is so tall. I don't know why he's like that. And his hands are bigger than mine. Mm. 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 My dad is not bald or something. He's got hair. Mm. Okay, now I'm gonna color. My favorite color is yellow, so I will get the yellow color for my t-shirt. Okay, and now for my pants, I like it. Oh my god, I like it color like the. Okay. Oh my god. My mommy likes the color red, so I will pick the color red for her. Oh my god. Cool. She's hair is color red on the bottom because she went to a salon or something. I don't know why. Okay. And then for her pants, she likes the color orange. Don't you forget my Minnie Mouse. Like that and like that. That's a blue. Joke lang, it's just a fruit made out of grapes. Tastes like grape. Okay. My daddy likes the color purple. My daddy likes the color light blue just like me. Light blue for his t-shirt. Oh my god. I nearly have blue pants at home, but I'm actually wearing the black pants. I don't like it. My daddy likes the color red. Also, just like my mommy. Guys, comment below if you want to watch more of my videos. And when you like and subscribe to my videos, I will record a Minecraft video. Watch till the end. Is this taking too long? Don't be bored. Look at that. This is me, mommy, dad. Still blurry. Let me fix it. Is it good now? Okay. What is that? Hey, you know this. I got your key of your home. I actually did this to someone. Joke, it's just another key. And this is the lock of another person's home. This is actually weird. My mommy stole it. Oh my god. So many keys.
What's that?
It's a video. I'm recording it to YouTube. Okay. Bye guys. Comment down below if you want to watch more videos. Minecraft. 1, 2, 3. Until it reaches there. Bye.